how to enable or set up two-factor authentication on Discord. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, open the Discord app or go to discord.com/login and enter your login credentials to log yourself in. Now, go to the second vertical tab and then tap on the gear icon beside the mute and deafen options to open user settings. Now, in the My Accounts tab, scroll down and tap on the Enable Two-Factor Auth option. You will then be required to enter your Discord password, so enter your Discord password and open the Authenticator app on your phone. Scan the QR code and enter the 6-digit code to enable 2FA. Also write down the key and store it in a secure space, as it will come in handy if you lose access to your account. Further, tap on the Enable SMS Authentication option to enable two-factor authentication on Discord via SMS. Once you set up 2FA on your Discord account, a pop-up dialog box asks you to enable SMS authentication and download backup codes. So, this is how you can enable or set up two-factor authentication on Discord. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.